My new grenade I just bought. It's an airsoft grenade. Hurts, I suppose.
It's a dumbass tape one.
Dumbass.
You gotta get hit by his own grenade because he's got nothing better to do.
God. No, Steve, I'm gonna like spin it.
No, don't spin it. Just aim it at you.
Oh.
Any second. Hopefully.
3, 2,
Yeah, it's gonna fling back
one.
at us, Scott, by the way.
Fire!
Is it moving at all, or? Scott, that's gonna fling back into this, though.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hit that.
Too fucking easy, it's a like start and you get blasted too. What the goddamn thing?
Yeah. Come on, I want this to go off like as he's not paying attention. Yeah, don't shoot at me.
Stupid piece of shit.
Yeah. You turned it. You gotta go get that, Ryan.
I think I'll sit here by the door. That's safer.
Yeah, that's gonna like fling hit the house out there. Ryan, you gotta turn that or like move to it. My bad. Don't shoot at me. Yo.
It's not gonna go.
Well, then make it go.
No.
I'll do it for you then.
Okay. Good, dude. Oh, stay back.
No, fuck. Don't shoot. Yeah, that fucking hit me.
Oh,
What?
nothing.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh my god.
All right. Idiots are us. You are not doing that again.